Can these cookies be the key to unlocking lost memories? Let's recreate them and find out!
Hello, my dears! Welcome back to another episode of Me Up Buttercup. I'm so excited to share today's recipe, as it was inspired by one of my favorite webcomics called SlumberTown. SlumberTown is a mystery series that centers around a socially anxious retriever named Romy, as she attempts to navigate a peculiar desert town she has found herself in, while struggling to regain forgotten memories. I recently asked Romy herself if she had a favorite baked treat. Her previous job just happened to be at a bakery, and she shared that her favorite thing they made was a peanut butter sandwich cookie filled with vanilla cream. I was so intrigued by these tasty sounding cookies that I just had to try and recreate them myself. There's no time to waste if we are going to solve the mystery of how to bake up these wonderful cookies. Let's go! Let's begin by creaming our butters and sugars together. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1/2 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, a doggy's best friend. Probably shouldn't do that. And 1 cup of sugar. Using an electric mixer, beat on medium to high speed until the mixture becomes pale in color and fluffy. Oh, it smells so good already. Add in 1 egg and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix them together well. Next, we will add in 2 cups of flour, 1 cup at a time, mixing on medium to low speed until just combined after each addition. Make sure to scrape the sides down between each one as well to make sure everything gets incorporated. If your dough seems too sticky to roll out, you can add additional flour, 1/4 cup at a time, until you reach a workable consistency. On a lightly floured surface, turn out your dough. We will roll the dough out very thin, about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Because these cookies will be sandwiched together, you don't want them to be too thick. I like to coat my rolling pin in a bit of flour to help keep it from sticking to the dough. Need a little extra flour here. Let's see here. Just a little bit more. Perfect. Now that our dough has been rolled out to the right thickness, we can cut out our shapes. To keep my cookies accurate to the cookies from Romy's bakery, that's the Good Boy Bakery, by the way, I will be using a dog bone shaped cookie cutter, but feel free to use any cookie cutter of your choice. A helpful tip to keep your cookie cutter from sticking is to dip it in some flour before cutting out each shape. Make sure you cut out an even number of cookies, as we will be pairing them up to make our sandwiches. Carefully place your cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 9 to 12 minutes. The cookies should be just slightly browned around the edges. Allow to cool on the cookie sheet for 3 to 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to finish cooling. Now we need to make a delicious vanilla cream for the middle. Start by combining 5 tablespoons of shortening and 3 tablespoons of butter to a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, cream these together for about 1 minute on medium to high speed. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix well. Oh, I spilled it everywhere. All right, let's try that again. Much better. Let's give this a good mix. Next, we will measure out 1½ cups of sifted powdered sugar. Mix the powdered sugar into the butter mixture 1/4 cup at a time until you reach a desired consistency. You are looking for an icing that is able to be piped but thick enough to hold up in a sandwich cookie. Once the desired amount of powdered sugar has been added, continue mixing on medium to high speed for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until the filling is nice and fluffy. Now to assemble our cookies. Fill a piping bag fitted with a large round tip with the icing. Pipe a small amount of icing onto one side of a cookie. If you really like icing, it's okay to do a large amount. It just might go everywhere. Now cover it with another cookie to complete your sandwich. Ta-da! Oh, aren't these just so cute? Look at these wonderful little treats. The crispy peanut butter cookies pair so nicely with the creamy vanilla filling. They certainly would be a charming addition to any bakery. And don't forget to share them with friends. Who knows, they may be a link to unlocking forgotten memories. I hope you enjoyed unraveling the mystery of how to make these delightful cookies. If you're hungry for more mysteries and adventure, be sure to check out SlumberTown. I'll be posting a link to the website down below. A big thank you to the creator of SlumberTown, Maxie, for letting me give this cookie a go, as well as creating this wonderful artwork of Buttercup and Romy. They are truly a fantastic artist and storyteller. Please go give them a follow. Until next time, mwah!